Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove ads and block pop-up ads on Samsung Galaxy A14. Go in Galaxy Store, tap on search here ad block for Samsung Internet. Tap on this application, simply install it from here. As you can see, ad block for Samsung Internet is installed. Simply open it, tap on arrow button, again tap on arrow button, tap on open Samsung Internet. As you can see it is already enabled in Samsung browser. Go back. From here you can customize settings. This is how you can remove ads and block pop-up ads on Samsung Galaxy A14. If this video helps you, please like this video and subscribe the channel for more information.